house in Cabo to shake off my cargo. It went a little bit far though. I didn't blow my top off. 9-6 by Arsenal. I didn't drive my car home when I drank that charcoal. Man, I miss my mom so. Ask me how it feels.
What's crack-a-lackin'? If you like what you had seen, then subscribe here to my channel and click on that bell notification so you're notified every single time I post another video. Give this video a thumbs up for our sponsors, Ali Pearl Hair. They sent me a lot of gifts, as you can see, and I am really in love with this U-part unit. Listen, I am really into the really quick and easy methods, and normally when they send you a little card with a picture like this, you're like, girl, I ain't gonna look like this picture, but listen, you gonna look like this picture. If you want to know the deets, make sure you check the description box. Deets, that's like short for details, if you didn't know. So make sure you check all of the links in the description box for all of the information on this unit, and let's go ahead and get started, because this is literally one of the easiest and fastest installs you will ever do, period. Okay, so now all I've done is just do one perimeter braid and then put the rest, you know, a little fringe braid, whatever you want to call them things, in the back. I'm about to look just like this picture, girl. Okay, and by the way, mind your business about, you know, the background. I'm in the process of cleaning up the bathroom. But I actually like this little thing right here. Don't worry, that's not going to stay indefinitely, but you do need it just a little bit, just to help you secure everything. All right, this video is going to be extremely self-explanatory, so stick around and keep watching, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments, or if you don't have no questions and you just want to talk, say something. Okay.
off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart.
So I'm sure you've noticed, or maybe not, but I've had a small little outbreak on my face. That's why, it's been a minute since I've been recording because I had to get this under wraps. But I have a video coming very soon explaining to you exactly what it was and all of that stuff. But girl, oh, I am cute. I was not used to it. I just wasn't. But in the video coming really soon, we're gonna break that down. But if Wondering Minds wanted to know, now you know.
I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us in for the stable friend of mine, cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah. To see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my heart. How much you're messing with me? 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 How much you're messing with me?
I bought a house in Cabo to shake off my cargo. It went a little bit far though. I didn't blew my top off. 9-6 by Arsenal. I didn't drive my car home when I drank that charcoal. Man, I miss my mom so. Ask me how it feels. I say it feels too real. When you pick up speed, what's pitch black weed? Well, you got your thoughts, all the in there deep. What about your heart? Does it beat too hard? Mine does. Mine does. Mine does. Mine does. I ran around Lake Tahoe, not once, don't stop, no. Cause I'm a brand new model, with a brand new model. Yeah, I called up Carlos, said
Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it. Bit by bit, it's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly